Today I'm going to show you exactly how to search for and understand Cloudflare Ray IDs as an admin, using the Cloudflare dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to track down important info about a request, but also how to figure out why someone got blocked so you can troubleshoot faster, help your users more easily, and keep your site running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, a quick overview. A Cloudflare Ray ID is a unique code that Cloudflare attaches to every request that passes through their network. Think of it a bit like a receipt that lets you trace a transaction. If someone tells you they were blocked on your site and gives you a Ray ID, you can use it to see all the details behind that event. Here's how. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. You want to make sure you're in the right place with access to the domain you manage. If you handle multiple websites, be sure you're logged in with an account that has admin access to the domain you need, otherwise you might not see the events you're looking for. Next, select your domain from the dashboard list. This step is crucial because all the logs, security events, and filters in Cloudflare are organized by domain. Just like checking the right mailbox for your letters, selecting the exact domain ensures you're searching for events in the right place, and you won't waste time digging through unrelated data. Once you're inside your chosen domain, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Security. Then select Events, which used to be called Firewall Events. This is the area where Cloudflare tracks every security-related action, such as blocked or challenged requests. If you imagine your website as a busy front door, this is your security camera footage, recording every attempt to enter and what Cloudflare did as a response. Now let's home in on the specific Ray ID you've been given. Click the Add Filter button at the top of the Events page. Think of filters like a searchlight. They help you zero in on exactly the right event, excluding everything else. In the filter options, open the drop-down menu, choose Ray ID, then select Equals. And finally, paste the Ray ID you got from the user. This tells Cloudflare to show you only the event that matches that unique code, so you won't have to scroll endlessly or guess which log entry explains what happened. Once you've set up the filter, click Apply. Take a moment. Sometimes it might take a few seconds for the data to load, especially if you have a high-traffic site or lots of events. Don't worry if nothing pops up immediately. Double-check that you pasted the Ray ID exactly as it was sent to you. Even one character off can miss the event entirely. Now you'll see detailed information about that specific request. Cloudflare is going to show you the exact timestamp, the user's IP address, the country they came from, and most importantly for troubleshooting, exactly which WAF rule or security setting triggered Cloudflare's action. This tells you not only when the issue happened, but why the user was blocked or challenged. For example, maybe Cloudflare saw something that looked like a bot, a SQL injection, or perhaps the user tripped a country block. With all these details, you can make informed decisions. Let's say the user was blocked by a rule that's too strict. Now you know which rule to adjust. Or if you notice a pattern, say, lots of blocks from a certain country or as a result of one particular rule, you can fine-tune your security settings for smoother user experience without opening yourself up to risk. And that's it. You've just tracked down a Cloudflare Ray ID and unlocked the story behind it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or roadblocks, drop a comment below. I always try to reply and help out. And if you want more quick, clear tutorials on Cloudflare and all things web security, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.